Are you looking for the best double hot plates in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best double hot plates that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, SUNAVO hot plates for cooking. When it comes to reliable and useful kitchen appliances, the options are numerous. If you are looking into double hot plates, there are many brands and designers. But nothing offers everything that this one does. This one is an Amazon's Choice product that has a maximum power of 1800 W, 1000 plus 800 W. To make it easier for you to control, there are 6 levels of precise temperature control. Also, it allows you to use both the burners simultaneously so that you can be more efficient always. The design promotes convenience and you can use all different kinds of cookware to cook on this double hot plate. At number 4, Cusimax electric stove double hot plate. Are you thinking of getting a good double hot plate for regular usage in your kitchen? Well, you need to look at something that can be used with all kinds of cookware. This smart and elegant looking hot plate allows you to use it with all sorts of cookware. In fact, its compatibility ranges from aluminum pans to cast iron frying pans. Owing to the use of modern heating tube technology, you will get a more stable heat. So, it is totally safe and stays away from rusting issues. One thing you will find interesting about this double hot plate is how compact and lightweight it is. The small footprint allows you to store it almost anywhere without any issues. At number 3, Techwood hot plate electric single burner. Get yourself the best kind of appliances and machinery to get the best kind of results. This modern and stylish looking double hot plate from the house of Techwood combines looks and performance together. There is a modern brushed stainless steel housing on the burner that makes it sturdier and more durable. You will be able to cook your favorite dishes with great control because of the non-slip feet at the bottom. It also allows you to carry and also hold the machine when cooking. As a matter of fact, it is fitted with cool-to-touch riveted stainless steel handles. Owing to the fact that it gets a very compact and flat design approach, it is highly convenient. So, you can use this even in RV, caravan, or small dorm rooms. At number 2, CUKOR electric hot plate, 1800W. This is a multi-functional double hot plate that will make your life easier. In fact, it helps you to cook your favorite dishes and delicacies. From home-style barbecue to soups and stir-fried dishes, this can do it all. All you need is flat-bottom cookware of any kind and material. This is compatible with all. Overall, a double hot plate like this is a safer and more environment-friendly alternative to gas burners. They have no radiation, no fire and don't emit any carbon monoxide. When you buy this hot plate, you get a 30-day return policy and 18 months of the free replacement policy. No need to worry or doubt yourself when you choose to buy this. At number 1, Ovente 6.5 and 7-inch hot plate glass infrared stove. Hassle-free cooking experience every day to help you concentrate more on the dish you are preparing and less on the troubles. This advanced and amazing infrared double hot plate aids in even heating. Hence, you can always make food the way you want and like. When you get this double hot plate, you rest assured about one thing that is compatible with all different kinds of cookware. The only thing you need to ensure is that cookware is flat-bottomed. On the pot, you can place a maximum weight of 3 kgs. Thus, you do not really encounter any difficulties while cooking anything. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.